we're gonna do cross pollination. I'm gonna take the pollen from purple haze and go find a different variety and use that pollination over there. This is purple haze, and I'm gonna take some pollen from purple haze. Purple haze, I'm gonna take the pollen from purple haze. Okay, this is a purple haze. We're gonna put here, this is laverne red. I use purple haze pollen to laverne red. And this is not frozen, not from the fridge. I just check it right now. In the same night, all these flowers open. Purple haze, and yeah, I try to put in the center with a small brush in the center. You see? In the center. Now, after I pollinate laverne red, I'm gonna take the pollen from laverne red. I use the vacuum. Now I'm gonna use this pollen to go back to purple haze, pollinate purple haze with the pollen from laverne red. That's called cross pollination. I'm use different variety to take pollen from laverne red to purple haze, and I take pollen from purple haze to laverne red. Okay, this is purple haze, and that's the pollen from laverne red. Like now I'm gonna use it for purple haze. Always focus in the center of the stigma. You're gonna see a small hole. Try to put everything in the center of the small hole. Here's another one, another purple haze. Use it center a little bit. You don't need more than a little bit. Focus in the center. And this is how the cross pollination. You can mix all the pollen, or to be sure it's a cross pollination, take from different variety to pollinate this variety. Now I have a Lisa. I'm gonna go put some of these pollen, which is laverne red, to use it in Lisa. Okay, this is Lisa. I mix two different variety, red laverne and purple haze. I'm gonna use it in Lisa. Now we're using different pollen and different variety. This flower is Lisa. Yeah, like I say, you focus just in the center. You can put around. I think the center is, yes, the center is more important, because the pollen is gonna travel from here down there, and that's how we're gonna make the fruit. Yes.